In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge browser still running in the background. And I'm going to show you how to turn it on or off for Microsoft background extensions. Apps to continue running even if the Edge browser is closed. This will use resources in the background of your computer even if Edge is not open. So it should be able to load quicker once you open up the Edge. So if you want to turn on or off the feature, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Just open the three dots located at the top right of the screen. Go to Settings. At the left, you will find System and Performance. Just go ahead, click on it. Now on the right side, you will find System. Just go ahead and click on it again. And there you will find Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Just go ahead, turn it on or off as you like. And you can also adjust the settings that is located at the top, as you can see here, which is Startup Boost. So it has a similar process as the other one under it. And you can click on it, turn it on or off as well. So this was a quick process video. Now just go ahead and close the browser. As always, thank you for watching.